certain procedures that have to be done in installing the hub. And as most people know, not everyone, but most of them, the propeller is nothing more than a wing. It has a contour on one side, and the back side is flat. And the flat side is the back side. It is possible to put the hub in the wrong way. If it is, it means you've got to start all over again. And according to the propeller manufacturer's instructions, you install this thing by turning the propeller front side down, and then insert the hub in with the master spline 90 degrees to the prop. And then you install a slip of bolts all through the holes on the back side. Tap them into place. They'll go on the bench. Then you've got to turn the hub up on the side and tap the bolts the rest of the way in. And also the hub has to be tapped in the last half inch or so. Then you can turn the prop back up on the hub, and it will sit on the hub at this time. And install a faceplate on the hub. Now the nuts that go on these bolts are a special nut with a shoulder that goes down inside the faceplate.
You should probably put some zinc chromate on those on the inside?
No.
No?
Shouldn't give you any problem. Run these all down with your fingers first, so that they're all down against the faceplate. Looks like we lost a bolt here someplace. Oh, found that one. See if we can find this other one over here. Yep. I'll run these down by hand, just by hand, until they contact the faceplate. Then I will have to go get a socket and my torque wrench so that we can torque them down to the proper torque required by the manufacturer, which we have the sheet supplied by the manufacturer of the propeller. It spells out has specific instructions as to how much torque you put on the nuts and how they're tightened down. Also, the torque where the prop is installed on the engine. We will go get our torque wrench now and our socket, and we'll finish it up. Just to where they snug up. Always go from one bolt directly across on the next bolt to tighten, to run them down. They should all be run down equally. And after you get to two, you go 90 degrees from them and just run the nut down. We're not tightening them yet. All we're doing is setting them into place. And the bolts themselves, probably some of them have backed out, so I pull them back up where they belong. And this one's turning, so we got to put a wrench on the back side. click, that means that wrench is at the torque it's supposed, that's at the torque it's supposed to be. 250 inch-pounds. It's not all the way down yet. There's your click to hear the click at 250 inch-pounds. Make sure I haven't missed any. I'll move back around. On up to par. Okay, those bolts are in and torqued to the initial torque, 250 inch-pounds. Now we'll install the propeller on the airplane. After that we've installed it on the airplane, bolts will have a chance to set up a little bit, and we'll retorque them to the torque is recommended. And then they'll be safety. I do it after we put it on the shaft, because it's a lot easier to handle than fighting a propeller here on the bench.